Speaking during the Thanksgiving service for the late General Ronda Nyakairuma in September 2024, President Museveni accused the National Unity Platform Party of rigging the 2021 presidential elections by 1 million votes. The president blamed an apparent loophole in the law which allows multiple voting when the electronic voting system malfunctions.
I have now got all the evidence that in the last election, NUP cheated by 1 million votes. I have the facts. NUP can take me to court, and the same seven has falsely accused them. But this is what happened. 1 million votes.
The allegations were, however, refuted by the NUP leadership, terming them as baseless propaganda aimed at tarnishing their credibility. Months to the 2026 general elections, President Museveni has revealed how the government has put in place measures to stop vote rigging, which happened in 2021 general elections, where the opposition rigged 2.7 million votes as a result of the negligence of some members of the national resistance movement.
Opposition, Baba, Obululu, million bili n'emitwalo 7 naye okuba bwali bulagajavu bwa NRM tebafaayo babeerawo buno obwana bwa opposition ne bujja ne bubba ne butiisatiisa abantu ne batabukwata n'omukono gw'amaanyi wadde walimu ebyobufuzi nabyo naye ekikulu kati nakimanya y'ensonga ku luno tebafuna bululu bungi okujja okubba n'okutiisatiisa n'okukanga abantu baffe ne batalonda bye bakola naye kati ebyo byonna tetugenda kubikkiriza. Tugenda tewaliwo buli muntu yenna okukuba akalulu alina okuyingiza ekinku mu kyuma ne kimukakasa tusobole okukakasa nti buli muntu akuba akalulu kamu.
He appreciated the people in Greater Mpigi for overwhelmingly supporting the national resistance movement, urging them to resist corruption and make decisions based on principles and national interest rather than short-term financial incentives.
Mulina okulonda ku luno nampala anaabanja ebyammwe okuva mu gavumenti ate n'abirondoola wano wansi kulaba nti bituuse. Bwe mukola ensobi, if you make a mistake and you vote for somebody who has given you 10,000 shillings, you will be overthrowing your power of electing a Nampala. Now, if you calculate...
President Museveni made the remarks while addressing a rally at Kituntu Sub-County Mpigi district as he concluded his nationwide Paris development model, Zone 2 in Greater Mpigi. In his address, he also encouraged the citizens to engage in wealth creation activities, noting that all the developmental initiatives, such as roads, health centers and schools, are for all Ugandans, but wealth and poverty remain personal.
Amalwaliro, amasomero, enguudo ziri mu kiti ky'enkulaakulana, amasanyalaze, amazzi, essimu. Ebyo byonna byafena buli omu aganyirwa. So this is with all this is within your capacity.
The NRM Vice Chairperson for Uganda Region, Honorable Godfrey Chiwanda Sobi, rallied the party leaders in Greater Mpigi to support President Museveni as their flag bearer in the 2026 presidential elections.
Mwebale yonna president gyayise, mwebale kumwaniriza, abasimbye ebitooke, abamwaniriza ku nguudo, mwenna mwebale nnyo, mwebalire ddala. Kitukoze bulungi nti mulaze essanyu banampigi.
Mr. President, oteekwa okukwasisa buli excellency nga bw'ogenza oyita mu byalo. Oteekwa okulaba ng'olaba waliwo enjawulo. Amama g'abantu gakyuse, obulamu bw'abantu bukyuse. Sina PDM yokka naye n'olw'emyuga. Ebyo byonna by'ebirungi by'otukoledde. Bale NRM otukoledde ebirungi. Nsaba tuwagira NRM kubanga ebirungi bikyaliyo era gakyali mabaga.
At the same event, President Museveni received 184 converts from other political parties to the NRM. John Baptista Humza, Church of Uganda, Family TV News at 8.